Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is by CurlsQueen hair. They sent me over one bundle of their kinky straight hair, and it comes with 10 pieces of clip-ins, and these are seamless clip-ins, so you can't see the webs, so it makes it more flat and it makes it more seamless when you install them. So this is what my hair is looking like. I did freshly cut my hair like a couple weeks ago, so that's why my hair is like shorter and has a blunt cut. These are the clips. There's 2 of each number of clips, so like there's 2 sets of 5 clips, 2 sets of 3 clips, 2 sets of 4 clips, and then there's 4 sets of 2 clips. So I usually just start with 3 on the bottom, then I go to 4, then I go 5 for the middle of my head, and then I go back up to 4, 3, and then I'll do the 2 clips in the front. And look at that, you guys don't see the weft, you just see the invisible band. So that's if the wind blows, you know, it's not looking all crazy if they see that. So yeah, but these clip-ins were very full. I did stuff all 10 in my hair, but towards the end of the video I did take some of them out because it was too full. But I did want to show you guys how like it looks with all the clips in the hair, all the clips in the head, sorry. And yeah, one is more than enough. I would not get more than one bundle of clip-ins unless you just really like that very full look. So I did not even need to add this one in the back. It was just too much, honestly, because it got too thick, because the hair texture is already thick. But yeah, I'm really just showing you guys how I install them. Clip-ins are so easy and pretty self-explanatory. It's all based on personal preference, like I say in all my other clip-in videos. But I love clip-ins and I love CurlsQueen hair. Everything they've sent me has been phenomenal, honestly. And yeah. Okay, so this is the last clip that I'm entering, and this is what all of those clips that came in one bundle looks like in my hair. As you see, it's very full and it's very long. This is 26 inches. And yeah, this is the hair in its natural texture. It's a really good like blowout look, but I am going to straighten it just so you guys can see how it looks straightened. And I'm using my Hot Tools flat iron. I got my flat iron from Ulta. It was like 150, it was between 150 to 180. I can't remember. But I do like this flat iron. Now, in the future, I personally, and I don't know if it's just because I like just cut my hair, but I personally would braid my hair down in the back, and then put the clip-ins in, so I won't have to deal with, first of all, putting heat on my hair, on my natural hair, and then I won't have to deal with the line of demarcation, especially since I just cut my hair. So yeah, if you guys have like a nice fresh cut, I would recommend just putting like 2 braids in your hair and then pinning it up in the back with bobby pins, and then putting those clip-ins right over it. It'll look the exact same. It'll still be flat. I've done it before. I just didn't do it in this video. I'm not sure why. But yeah, I think the hair straightened pretty well, and the blend was immaculate after I straighten the hair and cut some slight layers in the front to, you know, make it blend in with my natural hair more and help it frame my face, as you guys will see when I'm done straightening. Look at that blend. It's just like seamless. Like, it's so perfect. I don't know. Yeah, just look at that. Like, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, honestly, if people ask me if this is my real hair going out, I would say yes, because look at that. That looks amazing, guys. You can't tell me that don't look good, and it blends in so well. So yeah, now I'm about to just cut some layers in the front, and I think this part is very important, especially if you have shorter hair in the front like me. Cutting those layers will just make it more seamless, and it'll just make it look better. Like, look at that. And it doesn't have to be too much. You just saw how easily I cut it. This how long it is. I just cut a little bit off the ends. The ends weren't bad at all. I just like I wanted more of a full look, like blunt cut on the ends. And yeah, this is how it looks straight in. And then I'm just gonna show you guys some hairstyles of the back. And yeah. Okay guys, so I have it in this half up, half down with 2 like bangs out, because they want me to style it like this. So I'm going to wand curl it just to add some oomph to it. So we'll see how this curls. Alright guys, so this is how these little wand curl waves I did turn out. I did these very quick, very fast, just to show you guys how versatile this hair can be. So yeah, I did this little half up, half down with the bangs out in the front, and then I'm going to show you guys how you could just take it out and then adjust one of the clips in the front to do this flip over side part look. So yeah, that's all. Everything will be linked down below, all the details on the hair. Any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you, CurlsQueen, for sending me this hair. I loved it, and I love CurlsQueen. I can say that. I've worked with them for I worked with them several times, so I can officially say I love CurlsQueen. Everything they sent me is good. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.